You want to make money online. You chose affiliate marketing. Smart choice. But there's a problem. You need traffic to your affiliate links. No traffic, no clicks, no sales. It's tough, right? Don't worry, this guide is here to help. 2025 is booming for online business. More people are shopping online than ever before. This means more opportunities for affiliate marketers like you. You just need to get your links in front of the right people. Social media is huge. Use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Find your target audience. Share engaging content. Promote your affiliate links naturally within your posts. Imagine you promote fitness products. Share workout tips on Instagram. Include your affiliate link for a resistance band you recommend. Be consistent. Post regularly to stay top of mind with your followers. SEO means search engine optimization. It helps your website rank higher on Google. When people search for products you promote, your website will appear. This brings free, targeted traffic to your affiliate links. You promote eco-friendly cleaning products. Optimize your website for keywords like natural cleaning solutions or eco-friendly dish soap. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to find relevant keywords. Strategy 3. Content is king. Create and conquer. In the digital age, content is the driving force behind successful online ventures. It's not just about creating any content, but creating valuable, engaging, and relevant content that speaks directly to your audience. Create valuable content that helps your audience. Think about what your audience needs and how you can provide solutions to their problems. Whether it's through informative blog posts, engaging videos, or eye-catching infographics, your content should always aim to add value. Blog posts, videos, and infographics are just a few examples of the types of content you can create. Each format has its own strengths and can be used to reach different segments of your audience. For instance, blog posts are great for detailed information, while videos can be more engaging and shareable. Infographics. The possibilities are endless. Infographics are particularly effective for presenting complex information in a visually appealing and easily digestible format. They can help break down data and statistics, making them more accessible to your audience. Naturally, weave in your affiliate links within the content. It's important to integrate these links seamlessly so that they enhance the content rather than disrupt it. This way, your audience will find them useful and relevant, increasing the likelihood of clicks and conversions. For example, if you promote travel gear, write a blog post about top 10 must-have items for backpacking through Southeast Asia. This type of content not only provides valuable information to your readers, but also gives you the perfect opportunity to include affiliate links to the products you recommend. Include affiliate links to specific backpacks, shoes, and other essential gear. Make sure these links are relevant and add value to the content. Your audience will appreciate the recommendations and be more likely to make a purchase through your links. Focus on quality over quantity. It's better to have a few pieces of high-quality content than a large volume of mediocre content. High-quality content is more likely to be shared, linked to, and ranked higher in search engines, which can drive more traffic to your site. Create content that truly resonates with your target market. Understand their needs, preferences, and pain points, and tailor your content to address these. Engaging with your audience through comments and feedback can also provide valuable insights and help you refine your content strategy. Strategy 4. Email marketing. Build your loyal following. Email marketing is still powerful. Collect email addresses from interested visitors. Send regular newsletters with valuable content and promote your affiliate products. For example, offer a free ebook on healthy eating tips in exchange for email signups. Promote your affiliate links for healthy recipe books or kitchen appliances within your emails. Use email marketing services like MailChimp or ConvertKit to automate your campaigns. Strategy 5. Video marketing domination. Video is king. In today's digital age, video content reigns supreme. It's not just about creating videos, it's about creating engaging, high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Create engaging videos on platforms like YouTube or TikTok. These platforms have millions of active users daily, making them perfect for reaching a broad audience. Review products, share tutorials, or offer valuable tips related to your niche. The key is to provide content that your audience finds useful and engaging. Whether you're reviewing the latest tech gadgets, sharing cooking recipes, or offering fitness advice, make sure your content is informative and entertaining. This will keep your viewers coming back for more. Include affiliate links in your video descriptions. This is a great way to monetize your content. When viewers click on these links and make a purchase, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. For example, if you promote makeup products, you can create a YouTube tutorial on achieving a natural makeup look. Show your audience step by step how to use the products. Create a YouTube tutorial on achieving a natural makeup look. Explain each step in detail, from applying foundation to finishing touches. This not only helps your audience but also builds trust and credibility. Include affiliate links to the specific products you use in the video description. This makes it easy for your viewers to find and purchase the products you recommend. Here's a tip: make your videos visually appealing and informative. A well-lit, organized space can make a huge difference in the quality of your videos. Invest in good lighting and sound equipment to enhance the viewer's experience. Use good lighting and sound. Poor lighting and sound quality can turn viewers away. Make sure your face is well lit and your voice is clear. This will keep your audience engaged and make your videos more professional. Don't forget about editing. Good editing can make your videos more dynamic and engaging. Use transitions, effects, and music to enhance your content. This will keep your viewers interested and coming back for more. Finally, share your videos on social media and engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and build a community around your content. This will help you grow your audience and increase your reach. Keep an eye on your video analytics. This will help you understand what works and what doesn't. Use this information to improve your future videos and continue growing your channel. With dedication and the right strategy, you can dominate video marketing and achieve great success. So, start creating, keep improving, and watch your audience grow.
Know you've been a good friend.
Strategy 6. Community power, forums and groups. In today's digital age, online communities have become a powerful tool for connecting with like-minded individuals and sharing valuable information. Join online communities related to your niche. These forums and groups are treasure troves of knowledge and opportunities. By becoming an active member, you can tap into a wealth of information and resources that can help you grow your expertise and influence. Engage in discussions, answer questions, and build relationships. The key to success in these communities is active participation. Don't just be a passive observer, dive into conversations, share your insights, and offer help whenever you can. This will not only establish you as a knowledgeable and helpful member, but also build trust and credibility. Share your affiliate links when relevant and helpful. It's important to be strategic about how and when you share your links. Make sure they add value to the conversation and are genuinely helpful to the community members. For example, you promote gardening supplies. If gardening is your niche, you can find numerous forums and groups dedicated to gardening enthusiasts. Participate in online gardening forums. These platforms are perfect for sharing your knowledge and connecting with fellow gardeners. Answer questions about pest control or offer tips for growing tomatoes. By providing valuable advice and solutions, you can position yourself as an expert in the field. Include your affiliate link for a specific organic pesticide or gardening tool you recommend. When you share a link, make sure it is relevant to the discussion and offers a solution to a problem being discussed. Here's a tip: don't be spammy. Spamming can quickly ruin your reputation and get you banned from the community. Always prioritize quality over quantity when sharing your links. Focus on providing value and building trust within the community. The more you contribute positively, the more people will trust your recommendations and be willing to click on your links. Remember, the goal is to be seen as a valuable member of the community, not just someone looking to make a quick buck. By investing time and effort into building genuine relationships, you'll create a loyal following that will support your affiliate marketing efforts in the long run. Strategy 7. Leverage the power of influencers. Partner with influencers in your niche. Influencers have a loyal following who trust their recommendations. They can promote your affiliate links to their audience. For example, you promote sustainable fashion. Collaborate with a fashion influencer on Instagram. Have them showcase an outfit featuring clothes from your affiliate brand. Here's a tip: choose influencers whose values align with your brand and target audience. Conclusion: your journey to affiliate success starts now. Getting free traffic takes effort, but it's worth it. Use these strategies to drive targeted traffic to your affiliate links. Be patient, consistent, and persistent. Success is within your reach. Start building your online empire today.